Well, boy, last year, LOL was real good. I was able to come enjoy myself. It had real people that show up. They had laughter. They had people who was playing all kind of games and things. It was real fun. Plus, I come with my little shack and thing and I do a little something. You understand? So, you know, I want everybody to be a part of this and everybody to come out and show your support for LOL.
I was at that LOL event last year and it was real good. Real good. I can't wait for this year. And I so enjoy the game show, and then had a parent group. I don't know where a parent group come from. It was like a real Spanish parent group. I never seen them parent tables before. I wish, that they could have this event 5 times a year, 6 times a year. It was so good to see the academic community and the non-academic community coming out in this relaxing atmosphere. I can't wait.